With the American Express Platinum card increasing its annual fee to nearly $700, and now there are rumors about the Chase Sapphire cards increasing their fees as well. Getting approved for the no annual fee Freedom Flex card could not have come at a better time. After applying for this card last week, Chase said it would take 3 to 5 days before the card would be delivered. And even though I'm so excited for getting approved for my first Chase card and starting my journey in my Chase Trifecta, I figured I could wait the 3 to 5 days and I wouldn't have to call to get the card expedited. So I patiently waited day after day for my new card to arrive. And then finally, I guess my weird flex on freedom eventually came. So now it's time to open this bad boy up and unlock the power of cash back. So remember when I told you guys about the benefits of the Freedom Flex card in my last video? Since then, I've done a couple of things to make sure I was prepared once the card got here. One of the differences that I learned between Chase and American Express is that Chase will not issue you a card number before your physical card arrives like American Express does. So I wasn't able to add this card to my digital wallet. But first things first, I wanted to make sure I went ahead and set up the automatic payments for the entire statement balance each month. We've discussed this over and over again before, that this is the key to responsible use, and it ensures that we don't incur any interest fees. Even though the card has a 0% APR for the first 15 months, carrying a balance from month to month is just not a habit I want to start when using credit cards, because eventually you're going to end up owing some interest, and paying interest is more like paying to use a credit card. And we want to get cash back where they pay us to use this credit card. So after setting up the automatic payments, I went ahead and added this card to my Max Reward app. Max Rewards automatically activates the rewards and benefits on all of your credit cards. And even though I didn't have the card physically in hand, I was able to add the card information by syncing my Chase account with the Max Reward app. And lastly, I sat down and came up with the budget for the card. I did this not only to maximize the benefits, but I also wanted to make a plan to get after the sign-up bonus, which is $200 cash back if you spend $500 within the first 3 months of having the card. And like I told you guys before, when I know I'm going to apply for a card and I'm going after the sign-up bonus, I like to plan my purchases, especially my big purchases, around applying for that card, so I can quickly get after that bonus and not have to find things to manufacture spending. But the key to a strategy like this is creating and sticking to a really good budget, which brings me all the way to this glorious moment in Trifecta land, the uncasing of my Chase Freedom Flex card. I'm so excited to open this up and see what's inside. Take a look at the sleek and stylish white envelope Chase uses to showcase the anonymity of the card. Using my X-ray vision, I can tell this one was especially for me. Let's go ahead and open her up. As with all credit cards, Chase sends loads and loads of information that they really expect everyone to read. So let's take a look at the information one by one, and then I'll show you guys the card. First up is the card member agreement. Inside, Chase goes over some key terms and instructions to help us get started using the card. They also list some things to avoid and what to do ifs, pending if you require any assistance. Since I'm quite versed in how to use a credit card, I'll carefully place this to the side. Next is the rate and fees table. Here, I'm confirming the 0% APR for the first 15 months and what that looks like after the intro period, 23.74%. Sheesh. This is why I do not like to carry a balance. So if you ever wondered how Chase shares your information, they insert this handy dandy sheet of paper to explain how. My suggestion, restrict all sharing of your information that you can. These last two booklet inserts go over all the benefits the Freedom Flex offers. This is where you get carried away by the easy reading and get lost in the benefits the Flex has to offer. So if you're looking for some bedside reading, you can go ahead and give these a little look-see. I'm sure they'll keep you engaged. But now, without further ado, we've reached the piece de resistance, my number 2 card under the Chase 524 rule, but the very first card in the pursuit of the Chase Trifecta. Here's the big reveal. Hold on to your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, the Freedom Flex. Isn't it everything that you thought it would be? Look at how the precision blue color reflects the light and how the MasterCard symbol gives bold logo design, showcasing how you have become the master of all cards. So now that I have the power of cash back in my hands, I need to figure out how I'll unleash this upon the world. I can definitely stop at Walgreens and grab some Band-Aids, dental floss, and maybe some nail polish for my little MacGyver project I'm working on. I'll get about 3% cash back on those purchases. Or I can go ahead and book my flight to Atlanta next month through the Chase Ultimate Rewards site and get 5% back on the travel. I'm not sure. I don't know. Oh, I got it. I think the ultimate place for me right now to get the bang for my buck is going to the supermarket. I'm kind of hungry, and for this quarter, I can get 9% back on all my grocery store purchases. And to see how I'm able to do that, check out my last video on the Chase Freedom Flex where I go over all the benefits and rewards. I'll leave a link for it in the description down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on me applying for my next car in pursuit of the Chase Trifecta. In fact, I have that video queued up for you on the screen right now. So until next time, I'm Ty and I'm out.